What's up, Guide and Bolt fans? This is Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your filter to replace it on a Samsung refrigerator. So this specific model is the RF28R7201SR. It's a double door refrigerator, so once you open it up you can see the filter is right here at the bottom. This is the water filter. So right now it's locked in place. It's pretty simple to do. So you can see here, this is the locked position when it's straight up and down, and then all we're going to do is we're going to rotate this, and that's going to unlock it so we can pull it out. So if we just go ahead and grab on this and rotate it counterclockwise, you'll kind of hear it. You'll hear it click, and then you can see here that the we've rotated the lock all the way around, and then it just pulls straight out. And this is the specific model of this filter. And I'll go ahead and link this down below, so if you're looking for this specific model, you can find it easily. And then to replace it, once you have the new one, obviously you just go ahead and stick it back into place. Oh, except for I stuck it back in the wrong way. There we go. And then you just rotate it clockwise to put it back into place, and it is that simple. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.